In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Malice in Ability Wars. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock Malice, and I'm going to give you a general overview of the passive and its abilities. So Malice is going to be available here in the lobby, so on this side, between Vampire and Festive. So as you can see, the only requirement is the Trick or Treat badge. However, the problem is that this badge is currently unobtainable. As the name suggests, it is going to be exclusive to Halloween, so the event needs to be available for you to unlock it. However, if you watch this video and then you wait for the future, when the event comes back, it is possible that you will be able to acquire Malice. So basically, the Trick or Treat badge can be acquired in two ways, or at least could be acquired in two ways, and I'm still going to talk about them and give you the overview. So as you can see, the first one was Trick or Treat. You just had to purchase Malice in the candy shop for 4,000 candy. And the old one in 2022 was doable by collecting 500 candy. Now, the actual ability. Malice is an ability that allows you to send slashes of your blade. So you will have this blade at your back, and you will be able to use it to do attacks. So the passive will give you the sword and it's going to burn orange by default. If you have this badge instead, it is going to burn blue. So the passive simply gives you the sword on your back at all times. If you use your E, you will grab the blade from your back and attack. You will send out crescent-shaped blasts of fire forward. You will pierce players so you can deal damage to a whole group. The projectiles deals 15 damage and does decent knockback. However, if you hit someone with the sword directly, they will take double the damage and the knockback, so make sure that you are always up close. So make sure that you are at close quarters. If you use your Q, however, this will make it so you raise your arm and you fire out 5 pumpkins. These pumpkins don't do too much damage, but you can guide them to a target at long range by using your cursor. So essentially, you can control them. So they are like missiles, and you will be able to aim them at enemy players. You simply use your cursor and you will be able to make them go all over the place. So they are useful to poke your enemies without getting too close. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Malice Ability Wars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.